This is the new MacBook Pro, M1 Pro, with a 10-core CPU, 16-core GPU, 16 gigabytes of unified memory, and 1 terabyte SSD. And guess we could go ahead and open her up. Here we go. Got some weight to it. There we go. All right, here we go. Oh man, the feel of this thing. Woo. We'll get to that in a second. We'll get to that second. All right, see what we got here. It's our MagSafe power adapter. USB-C on one end, MagSafe on the other, with the braided cable. So open it up. Open this bad boy up real quick. Man, they really wrap this up. All right, we're gonna see what's, man. There we go. All right. Yeah, so you can, it's USB-C on one end. Nice braided cable, so it won't get kinked up as much, and should be a little more durable, so it won't fray and rip like your regular little plastic cables as much. We'll test that out in a little while. We'll test that out in a little while. What else we got in here? We have here our designed by Apple in California paperwork. Got the instructions and everything, you know. Not like we're about to read these anytime soon, but it's cool. What else we got in here? I don't want to really rip it open too bad. Let me see. Uh-oh, what's that? Hold on. Hey. Sheesh. Man. So fail trying to open this. I was trying to open it nicely without ripping it. But we do have the black Apple stickers. I like that. It's a nice touch with the Pro products. And there's nothing else in there. Nothing else I'm about to look at. Anyway, let's look at the power adapter here. This is the power adapter. This should be the 96 watt power adapter, I believe. It comes with this model, because I got the 10 core CPU. With the baseline 8 core CPU on the M1 Pro, you only get you get a lower wattage power adapter. Got some weight to it. Everything, you know. The prongs and everything. So cool. All right. Start the show. Start the show is this bad boy. Got a little weight to it. Let's open her up. Whew. That bad boy right there. So as you can see, you got the USB-C Thunderbolt 4. You got two ports right there. The headphone jack. You got the MagSafe adapter. Then on the other side, you have the SD XC card slot. You got the HDMI 2.0 port, and you got another Thunderbolt 4. Got the etching on the bottom. I like it. I like it so far.